How to do affiliate marketing with zero following. All right, so I want to show you step-by-step process on how you can do affiliate marketing without having any follower at all. And this method, you don't need any paid advertisement. It can generate you a whole lot of traffic, audience, and you can sell your affiliate marketing offers to them. Okay, if you are totally new to affiliate marketing, you don't know what affiliate marketing is, I'm gonna spill it and explain to you what it's all about. Okay, so let's get started right now. My name is Evis Jamoni. I teach on skill affiliate marketers how to overcome lack of sales and build a profitable business that pays you on a weekly basis. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do well to do so right now. Okay, now if we go to our search bar, let me show you something right now. You know, every day we have over 8.6 billion searches on Google. Okay, so Google remains the #1 search engine on earth today. So let's assume now you want to promote Digistem affiliate marketing. If you go to your search bar and you type Digistem on it, all right, Digistem is an affiliate marketing platform in Nigeria. If you scroll down, you're going to see videos here. This one get over 10k views, 50k views. Okay, on Digistem, you can see a whole lot of them right now. If you go in your search bar and type seller, if you scroll down, you are going to see also a lot of videos talking about this particular platform called Seller. Okay, so how then can you tap on it and then maximize the benefit and use it for your own advantage? Okay, now if you are totally new to affiliate marketing, let me explain to you how you are going to do this right now. If you go to AI, which is called Gemini AI. Now let's do a quick search now. Let's write something. Now stick with me and I want to show you something. Now, and I search here, okay, 3 easy steps to launch a profitable affiliate marketing business. I searched this on Gemini and I scroll down and it gave me this. And I told it for it to simplify it, make it concise, and then it gave me something like this. Number 1, it says choose a niche. It means select a profitable niche that interests you. Secondly, it says build an online presence. It means create a website or a blog and then engage on social media. Then lastly, it says join affiliate program. So this is the 3 steps we'll be following for us to make a whole lot of money with affiliate marketing. All right, so number 1 is for us to select a niche, and we have 3 niches. We have the wealth, the relationship, and then the health own. Wealth and relationship. So we'll be choosing the wealth niche. Okay, now the second one is for us to start creating content, and the easiest content for us to create is for us to use YouTube to create content. Yeah, one good thing about YouTube is that you don't need large audience for you to rank your video on Google and YouTube. Okay, just create a specific content, target your audience very well, and then you create the content. Is going to show up on Google and as well show up on on YouTube. All right, that is the second one. So you create content about wealth. I gave the AI write engaging content topic on wealth niche relating to affiliate marketing. So, and it gave me a bunch of them here. It said number 1, unlocking wealth, how affiliate marketing can make you richer than you ever imagine. It gave me a whole lot. You know, the ultimate guide to building wealth with affiliate marketing. So you can pick up this topic and create video tutorials on it. Okay, you can go on YouTube and watch video content about affiliate marketing, gather the knowledge, and then create content on it. All right, by the time you create such content, you're going to be showing up concerning affiliate marketing. Then that is when you can now partner with an affiliate marketing. You can see the last one here, join affiliate marketing programs. You can join Seller, you can join Digistem, you can join StakeCut. All right, and then you input the link in the video description. After you have published your video, your audience can click on it. You tell them to click on it to join your affiliate marketing program. But for me, the best program I like recommending to newbie is Digistem affiliate marketing, because that was the first affiliate program I purchased in 2023. It explained to me more about affiliate marketing. Okay, and with it I'll be able to generate a whole lot of figure for myself and then use my platform to promote it. Okay, so that is the 3 ways for you to make money, 3 steps for you to start making money with affiliate marketing. 1, you choose a niche, which you now have chosen the wealth niche. Second one, create content on social media handle. Lastly, join the affiliate program and start promoting to your audience about the particular program you are into. Okay, that is that. If you want to learn how I use my website to generate a bunch of lead and then make sales with my affiliate marketing offers, okay, watch this video here. It's going to explain to you how to do so, and I'll keep in the video description the link for you to get started with Digistem affiliate marketing if you have not done so. Okay, catch you up later. Bye for now. Evis here.